If you've got a problem with your washing machine or tumble dryer, it needn't cost the earth to fix. Green's washing machines operate a free call-out 24/7 with repairs for all makes and models from just £20. And if we can't fix it, there's no fee. Our experienced engineer can tell you how much the repair's likely to cost. And if it's beyond repair, we have a range of reconditioned washing machines from £79 to £120 and tumble dryers from £59 to £99, all guaranteed and with free delivery and fitting in the Stoke-on-Trent area. Now that's a relief. Why not give us a call at Green's Washing Machines?